Hey guys, I'm Dia and welcome to Freshers Camp. Hope you guys are doing great. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys. That is the IBM Off-Campus Recruitment Drive 2020. But before that, I would like to tell you something about our channel. We provide updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, all other opportunities. We also provide some of the preparation materials for government jobs and campus placements. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do click on this subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you can get our latest updates. Okay, I'm quite sure that you all know about this company. And if you don't know, then let me tell you about this company. International Business Machine or IBM is an American multinational technology and consulting corporation headquartered in New York. It manufactures and markets computer hardware, middleware and software and offers infrastructure, hosting and consulting services in areas ranging from mainframe computers to nanotechnology. Now, the great news is IBM is hiring for the role of technical support engineers for Bangalore location. Experience required is 0 to 2 years and salary is best in industry standards. Also, the eligibility is BE and B.Tech in computers, IT, electrical and electronics engineering. As tech support engineers, you are responsible to handle difficult customer interactions and challenging customer problems. Now, you will get the detailed list of job responsibilities in the link given below in our description. Okay, now, I will share my screen from my laptop to show you how to apply for this application. Again, all the eligible, experienced and interested candidates can apply for this company. So guys, we have come to this page of IBM Off-Campus Recruitment Drive 2020 and I will let you know how to apply for this application. Okay, just slide down and read about the company. You may read about the company and the experience, position and all the details here. And just slide down. Here is the eligibility criteria again and the latest updates. And here is your apply link. Just click it. Now a page like this will open of IBM and just slide down here and here apply now. Okay, now for signing in, these are the things you need to do. That is, you can sign in with your LinkedIn account, Facebook account or Twitter account. And you can also sign in by giving your email address here and then the password. And if you have forgotten your password or username, you can renew it from this option. And then just simply sign in. And if you don't have an account, then go to this don't have an account option. Now there is something, a notice type of thing. You need to read this and just slide down and agree with this. Okay, there are some things here you need to fill. That is your email address, your password here, and then you need to re-enter your password for confirmation, and then you need to select any of the questions from here and need to answer that and then press continue. Here this page will open where it will show that you are about to start your IBM application. That means that you are about to start filling your IBM application. Now just click here. Let's get started. Okay, now you have to do some of the things like import profile from here. You have to attach your profile here and then give your first name here and then last name here, then address. If you have another address, then give it here, then the country and the state region here, and just slide down, and the city you can fill it here, and the phone number and zip and email again. Now you can add your education history, then work experience if you have it, and the skills you can add. Okay, and then just save and continue. Now here it shows that it is 50% done, and now choose this, that how did you hear about this company or this opportunity, then a country you're applying to, and then some of the things you need to fill again, just like the gender and if you have any disability, and then attach your resume or CV and then just save and continue. And now here you can see that you're 99% done and they have given you a review form. Finally, you can check here your first name, last name and all the details you have filled till now, and just check it till the end and have a review of it, and just slide down and here you can click that send my application. So these were the simple steps you need to follow for the IBM off-campus drive, that is the recruitment for 2020. Thank you. So, these were the simple steps you need to follow for the application of IBM Recruitment 2020, which is off-campus. So, do not forget to like, share and comment. Also, subscribe to our channel.